第4课，他是我的汉语老师。
Lesson 4. She is my Chinese teacher.
1. 听力
1. Listening.
第1部分
Part 1.
第1到4题，听词或短语，判断对错。
Questions 1 to 4.
Listen to the words or phrases and decide whether the pictures are right or wrong based on what you hear.
例如，
Example:
很高兴
very happy,
看电影
to see a movie,
1. 老师
老师
2. 美国
美国
3. 同学
同学
4. 朋友
朋友
The first one, 老师 This young girl, she's obviously a 学生，她是学生，她不是老师 so it's wrong. Second, 美国 The picture here is our Chinese national flag, so 美国 America is wrong. Third, 同学他们是同学 They are classmates. That's right. Picture 4. 朋友 is friend. 他们是朋友 That's right.
第2部分
Part 2.
第5到8题，听对话，选择与对话内容一致的图片。
Questions 5 to 8.
Listen to the dialogues and choose the right picture for each dialogue you hear.
例如，
Example:
你好
How do you do?
你好，很高兴认识你。
How do you do? Nice to meet you.
5. 他是谁？
他是我的汉语老师。
5. 他是谁？
他是我的汉语老师。
6. 他叫什么名字？
他叫大卫，他是美国人。
6. 他叫什么名字？
他叫大卫，他是美国人。
7. 他是哪国人？
他是中国人。
7. 他是哪国人？
他是中国人。
8.
他是谁？
他是我同学，他叫玛丽。8.
他是谁？
他是我同学，他叫玛丽。
Question 5. 他是谁？他是我的汉语老师。So which one is the Chinese teacher here? Is picture E. This young lady. 她是汉语老师。She is Chinese teacher. So we choose E. 6. Question 6. 他叫什么名字？ What's his name? 他叫大卫。He is David. 他是美国人。He is American. And David is a typical boy's name. And American. So America boy. We choose picture A. 7. Question 7. 他是哪国人？ Which country is her come from? 他是中国人。She is a Chinese. By listening to this recording, we actually cannot tell the male 他 or the female 他 we are using. But here, since it's asking about a single person's nationality, and this person is a Chinese, we just chose E for question 5. So here we just have D left. So I choose D. 8. Question 8. 她是谁？ Who is she? 她是我同学。She is my classmate. 她叫玛丽。She is called 玛丽。Her name is 玛丽 Mary. This picture B.
第3部分
Part 3.
第9到12题，听句子，回答问题。
Questions 9 to 12.
Listen to the sentences and answer the questions.
例如，
Example.
下午我去商店，我想买一些水果。
I'm going to the store this afternoon. I want to buy some fruit.
他下午去哪里？
Where is she going this afternoon?
.9. 他叫李鹏，他是中国人。
他是哪国人？
9.
他叫李鹏，他是中国人。他是哪国人？
10. 他是中国人，他是我的汉语老师。
他是谁？
10、
他是中国人，他是我的汉语老师。他是谁？
11，他叫安妮，他不是我同学，他是我朋友。
他是谁？
11，
他叫安妮，他不是我同学，他是我朋友。他是谁？
12，他叫李欣，是我的中国朋友。
他叫什么名字？
12，
他叫李欣，是我的中国朋友。他叫什么名字？
9 Question 9，他叫李鹏。He is 李鹏，他是中国人。He is Chinese. Question is 他是哪国人 ？Which nationality is he? So which nationality is he? 他是中国人。He is a Chinese. 10 Question 10，他是中国人。She is Chinese. 他是我的汉语老师。She is my Chinese teacher. Question: Who is she? Who is she? She is my Chinese teacher. 她是我的汉语老师。So I choose C. 11 Question 11，她叫安妮。She is Annie. 她不是我同学。She is not my classmate. 她是我朋友。She is my friend. Question: Who is she? So who is she? She is my friend. 她是我朋友。So we choose A. 我的朋友。12 Question 12，她叫李欣。She is 李欣，是我的中国朋友。She is my Chinese friend. Question: 她叫什么名字 ？What's her name? 她叫李欣。She is 李欣。 Now let's move to the reading part. Question 13. 对不起 means sorry. And this young lady is waving her hands. So she is saying 再见, goodbye. It's wrong. Wrong in Chinese is 错. 错. Question 14. The given character is female, 她, and the picture is a young lady. So 她 is right. 对. 对. 错 means wrong. 对 means right. 15. Question 15. 美国 means America, while this picture here, it might be a France flag, right? Because we cannot tell the color. But it definitely is not the American national flag, so it's 错. 16. Question 16. 同学 means classmates, while this picture here is a family. 他们是一家人. 他们是家人. They are family. So 16 is wrong. Question 17. 17. 他们 is that right? 他们 let's check. 17 is right. 17 is wrong. Yes, 17 is wrong. 他们 here, let's pay attention to this 他 is a male 他. Well, here, this 3 young lady, there's no gentleman here. So we need to use the female 他们. So 17 is wrong. 错的. Question 18. 你是哪国人? What's your nationality? So which answer can be answering the nationality? First one, 是，她是我的美国朋友. Yes, she is my America friend. It's not appropriate. B, 她是李月. 她是我的中国朋友. She is 李月. She is my Chinese friend. Not appropriate. C, 他是我同学. 他叫大卫. She is my classmate. He is my classmate. He is called David. Not appropriate. D, 不是，他是我的汉语老师. No, she is my Chinese teacher. Also not appropriate. And actually, we don't need to understand the whole sentence, right? We just need to figure out the subject of this answer. Because the question here is asking you, something about you. And the answers here, these subjects. A's subject is 他, he. B's subject is 他, she. C's subject is 他 he. And the D's subject is 他 she. So this 4 is not appropriate. And let's move to E. 我是美国人. I am American. This one, I'm asking you, and the answer is I something. I'm asking about the nationality, and the answer is America. So E is its answer. 19. Question 19. 他是谁? Who is he? This time, the subject, the proper noun, is using 他, male 他, right? So first, let's pick out the male 他, which is the first A is male 他, B is she, C is he, D is she. So for question 9, now we can tell which question might be right. Those proper noun is using his, so it's A and C. A 是，他是我的美国朋友。Am I asking something about yes or no? No, I'm not. So A is not appropriate. C 他是我同学 He is my classmate. 他叫大卫 He is David. This one can be the answer of asking who is he, right? So we choose C. 20. Question 20. 他是你同学吗? This time the proper noun is using she, so the answer might be B and D. B. 她是李月，她是我的中国朋友。She is 李月 She is my Chinese friend. It might be the answer. It might be the answer of is she your friend? Right, it might be. So we'll write it here first, and let's see the others. Let's see whether there's a more appropriate answer. D. 不是 No, 他是我的汉语老师. This one also seems appropriate, right? Is she your classmate? No, she's my Chinese teacher. So let's put both of it here first and go through others. Question 21. 21. 谁是李月? Who is 李月? Here we got a name, 李月, so the answer must be something with 李月. Right, and which one have 李月? B. 李月. Who is 李月? She is 李月. 她是李月. So 21 we choose B, and that's when we cross off the B from question 20. Last one, 22. 他是你的朋友吗? Is he, sorry, the subject is he, your friend? And we just have one left, right? And this one, the subject is he. The question is asking about something about 朋友, friend. And the answer also have 朋友. So we choose A. (23) 23. 你妈妈什么? Your mom what? So what can we ask? What can we add here? 你妈妈哪什么? Where what? No. 你妈妈叫什么? What does your mom called? What's your mom's name? 叫 is okay, right? 24您是什么国人？您是 you are 国 means country. So here I'm asking about the nationality. And which nationality? We use 哪 right? 哪 25 Question 25他不是我同学 He is not my classmate. 他是我什么中国朋友 If we first ignore this bracket, 他是我中国朋友 is actually right, especially in oral speaking. He is my Chinese friend. 他是我中国朋友 is right here. So what can we add here since it's already a complete sentence? Is a full mark at the end, so it definitely is not 哪 and 哪 is already been chosen. 叫 called is not appropriate. 的我的中国朋友 is right. My Chinese friend. So you see, last class we learned that for 的 when 的 it comes to a kinship or it is a person, it refers to a people or person, then 的 can be omitted. While in oral speaking, it's actually not that strict. So, especially in talking, we want to make our sentence more simple, shorter, and we will omit the as well. Anyway, since here is testing you about 的, so we need to put 的 here, right? That it's because 中国朋友 belongs to me, so we use 的 here. 26 Question 26我是美国人你 something here and question ending. Actually, even if we don't know the meaning of first half sentence, we can tell from this bracket that is at the end of the sentence and with a question mark. So only E fit this situation, right? And let's come back to the sentence. 我是美国人 I am American. And I want to know your nationality. 你呢? What about you? This part 3 is easier than part 2, right? 27 Question 27他是 at the end of the sentence and a question mark. 他是 a character at the end and a question mark. So we can put 么 is okay and I, 谁 is also okay, right? 他是吗 or 他是谁? 他是谁 is asking who is he? 他是谁? So we choose I here. 吗 is not a complete sentence in this case because we are learning the whole sentence. We will ignore the oral speaking first. 28 Question 28 Since the last half part of the sentence is complete, let's first go through it. 我是美国人 I am American. So, 我 and 中国人 Chinese. The relation between I and Chinese must be I am not Chinese, right? Since I am American. So we say 我不是中国人。29 Question 29他是你的汉语老师 Already a whole sentence. if there's a full mark here. 他是你的汉语老师。I am introducing him to you. He is your Chinese teacher. Well, if we put a bracket at the end and a question mark, that obeys the rule when we use ma, right? When we were learning ma, we learned that the sentence is a complete sentence, and then we add ma. And a question mark. Then the sentence becomes a question. Is he your Chinese teacher? 30, question 30. 他不是我同学. He is not my classmate. So who is he? Just like question 28. Question 28 is given the sentence in the positive way, and we put a negative here. Question 30, it gives the negative part of the sentence, and we need to write the positive part. 他不是我同学，他是我的好朋友。好 How do you still remember? We learned in lesson 1. 你好 Hello. And if we divide hello into 你 and 好, 你 means you, 好 means good. I hope you are well. So here 好 also means good. 好朋友 means together, it means good friend. Good friend. He is my good friend.
3. 语音
3. Pronunciation.
第一部分
Part 1.
第1到8题，听录音，选择听到的音节。
Questions 1 to 8.
Listen to the recording and mark the syllables you hear.
1. 专家 2. 新年 3. 成绩 4. 发言 5. 知道 6. 知己 7. 使用 8. 日期
1. 专家 专家 2. 新年新年 3. 成绩成绩 4. 发言发言 5. 知道知道 6. 知己知己 7. 使用使用 8. 日期日期
第二部分
Part 2.
第9到16题，听录音，给下列词语中的一标注声调。
Questions 9 to 16.
Listen to the recording and add the tone marks to E.
9. 一天 10. 一年。11一本。12一位。13一张，给下列词语中的一标注声调。
Questions 9 to 16.
Listen to the recording and add the tone marks to E.
9一天。10一年。11一本。12一位。13一张。14一瓶。15一碗。16一下。
Part 2 is the exam of E's tone Sandhi. And actually, we need to remember the tone Sandhi of E. This part, we need to write it out without listening to this recording. So this recording is helping you to do this text. First, let's review the tone Sandhi we learned last class. When E, the original sound of E is E in first tone. In E's tone Sandhi, there's 3 rules. First rule is when E follows first, second, and third tone, it changes into the fourth tone. Second is when E follows a fourth tone, it changes into the second tone. And the third one is when E used alone or in a number, it doesn't change. Now let's come back to these words. When E is followed by a syllable in the first, second, and third tone, it changes into the fourth tone. First, let's find out the first, second, and third tone, which is 9, number 9. So it changes into fourth tone. 10, number 10, is the second tone, 年, so it's 一年. 11, 11, the third tone, 本, so 一本. 13, 13, 张, first tone, 一张. 15, 15, 碗, third tone, 一碗. And then let's pick out which one is following the second rule. Second rule is when E is followed by a syllable in the fourth tone, it changes into the second tone. So the fourth tone here is 12, 12, 位, fourth tone. So 一位. 16, 16, 下, fourth tone, 一下. Okay, and I lost this 14. Here, 14 is in its second tone, so 平 is in second tone, so 一平. All these follows the first and second rule. There's no e using singly or in a number here in this question. This this alphabet, when there's a tone being marked on the head of E, then we don't need to write this dot again. We don't need to write it like this. We can write the tone on this dot. So, like this or this. No matter which tone is using, we never need to write this dot again. Section 4, Characters, 汉字. Part 1, chase the corresponding stroke in each pair of characters. 2 strokes here. First is 竖弯钩, 竖弯钩. Example characters like 7, number 7, 儿 son. 横折弯钩, 横折弯钩. Example characters like 9, number 9, 几 interrogative pronoun asking about a number. Part 2, single component characters. 7, number 7, 儿 son, 几 how many, 9, number 9,